Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is user journey or customer journey map. Customer journey map or user journey map. So there are few students or lots of students, visual designer, product designer, graphic designer, they don't have clarity about this topic, like what is customer journey map and what is user journey map and why it is important as a user experience designer or as a product designer for you. So first of all, let us understand what is customer journey map or what is user journey map. Okay, so the customer journey map is a journey of customer with any specific brand. Whenever customer interact with you from any mode, like it might be interaction on call, it might be interaction by visiting physical on your offices or shop, or it might be watching your advertisement on internet. Any mode of interaction which take place between customer and between brand is known as it is a part of customer journey map. So as a product designer, as a UX designer, or as a CEO, or anybody who operate that specific brand, their responsibility is to simplify the things. So on each and every interaction of end customer or end user with your brand, each and every interaction should deliver great experience. For example, I watch an advertisement of cheapest flight ticket. So first interaction of your customer with your brand, so the advertisement content, the advertisement timing, content, simplicity, clarity about the things. So these things delivered a great experience to customer. Trust factor, it generate trust on your brand. So first interaction had delivered good experience. Okay, now second experience, whenever customer click on that specific advertisement and try to connect with you with chatbot or with any customer care executive. So this is the second mode of interaction. So it is a part of customer journey map, second mode of interaction. So that time also you have to simplify the process, like within one click customer should be able to connect customer care executive or sales team who can explain him about that specific product or services which you are trying to sell, which you have shown on your advertisement. So within one click, and the energy and the connectivity and the knowledge of that specific customer care executive should be excellent. So second interaction, again given a positive image and positive emotion about your brand. So good experience or excellent experience of customer in interaction 1 and interaction 2. Now interaction 3, whenever customer try to buy your product or services, customer visit your website. So if your website is very complicated and customer not able to find the service or product which you are trying to sell or which they required, now customer is going to quit at the same moment. So this is the part of journey. So when customer journey started, interaction 1, interaction 2 has provided great and excellent experience, but in interaction 3 customer had a bad experience. So the responsibility of top management body is to deliver great experience to your customer on each and every interaction whenever customer interact with your brand, whether it is pre-sale, whether it is after sale. Thank you.